If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Merry Christmas! Do you want cookies for Christmas? This is the perfect recipe for you.
Hello, Namaste. So you already know that my today's recipe is a cookie. These are almond cookies made with almond flour.
These cookies are eggless and gluten-free and also keto friendly. Enjoy your holidays. Happy holidays.
Please note the ingredients needed to make these eggless almond cookies. List is also given in description below. First of all, take almond flour or badam ka atta in a bowl. To it, add in butter or Macaron, which is at room temperature. See how soft it is. Add in sweetener of choice. These cookies taste best when they are less sweet. But you can always increase the quantity of sweetener to your taste. Add some baking powder and some xanthan gum too. And my dear friends, you cannot miss on xanthan gum here for binding in this cookie dough. Mix everything well with fork, spoon or even your hands. You will get a nice soft dough. Now take this dough on a parchment paper and make a log or a roll out of this cookie dough. Keep the width of the roll or the log as per your liking. I made a thinner log because I wanted small bite-sized cookies. Roll this log in the same parchment paper and put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Our roll has hardened to some extent. We are ready to cut out cookies. Put this roll on a wooden board if you feel and cut using a knife. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 300 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. Thicker the log of dough, less the number of cookies. So when all the cookies are ready, place them on a greased baking tray. Why not call your little ones for help? When the baking tray is ready, put them in the oven on the center shelf and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. Depends upon which tray you are using and what is the thickness of your cookies. My cookies were ready in 16 minutes today. Here are the cookies. Let them cool down a bit because hot cookies are very soft and they would break. These almond cookies do not expand in size after being baked. For you to get an idea, here are the hands of my 6-year-old son.
Very yummy.
When they cool down after 15 minutes, you are ready to enjoy this with a cup of tea, coffee or as is. Why not pack some for your loved ones this festive season? Thanks for watching.